Alright, welcome to tonight's video. I'm your host, Liam, and today by we, I mean I made an alarm clock. It's been making a lot of annoying noises as of lately, and I feel really bad because my roommate is currently asleep, so that's why it's like quiet volume and lower light. But anyway, let's wake him up. This is going to be difficult because I can only use my iPad's selfie camera, and I can't flip it around, so we're going to work with it. Alright, let's plug her in. Let's look at some values. Alright. Getting good values there. Pull up the graph. Alright. Beautiful. Alright, let's make it a little bit dimmer. Let's make it dark. Beautiful. Alright, to show you the actual masterpiece that works, we got a buzzer, photo sensor right here, and light. Make it a little bit darker. Let's make it dark. Well, there you have it. We got a boy that makes an annoying sound. Yeah, this is gonna be tonight's video of problem 3.1. Thanks for joining me, and I hope I was entertaining.